it's Marky Monday. Do you know what I feel like doing today? I feel like singing happy birthday like a sloth. A sloth. What do sloths do? They do everything slowly. So we're going to sing happy birthday slow like a sloth. Are you ready? Let's do this together. Oh, I'm so excited. Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Are you one? Are you just kidding?